In a reactive world, emotional control is power, and one of the strongest forms of control is being comfortable alone. Most people are not afraid of failure. They are not afraid of change. They are afraid of being alone, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, because being alone removes distraction, and when distraction disappears, you are left with yourself. The discomfort of silence. When you are alone, there is no noise, no conversation, no external validation, just thoughts. And for many people, that silence feels uncomfortable because it reveals things, uncertainty, doubts, unresolved emotions. So people avoid it. They stay busy, stay connected, stay distracted, not because they want to, but because they don't want to face what silence shows, but because they don't want to face what silence shows. The dependence on company. Some people rely on others for emotional stability. They need conversations, attention, presence, not because connection is bad, but because they fear what happens without it. This creates dependence, and dependence reduces control because now your emotional state depends on others. The power of being alone. But something changes when you become comfortable alone. You start understanding yourself without external influence, without constant input. You begin to think clearly, feel clearly, decide clearly, because your mind is not reacting to external noise. It is operating from within. Emotional independence. Being comfortable alone creates emotional independence. You don't need constant validation. You don't need constant attention. You don't need constant reassurance. You can sit with your thoughts and remain stable. That stability is rare, and rare stability creates strength. The difference between loneliness and solitude. Let's be clear. Loneliness and solitude are not the same. Loneliness is the absence of connection. Solitude is the presence of self. Loneliness feels empty. Solitude feels grounded. The difference is not external, it is internal. Growth happens in silence. Most growth does not happen in noise. It happens in quiet moments. When you reflect, when you think, when you understand yourself without distraction, without influence. These moments create clarity, and clarity creates direction. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, being alone is not weakness, it is preparation. Preparation for clarity, preparation for discipline, preparation for self awareness. Because when you are comfortable alone, you are not controlled by the need for company. You choose connection. You don't depend on it. The shift. When you become comfortable alone, relationships change. You stop chasing. You stop forcing. You stop settling. Because you are no longer afraid of being by yourself, and that changes your standards. Remember something simple. If you are not comfortable alone, you will accept things that disturb your peace. But when you are comfortable alone, you choose what deserves your presence. If you are building emotional control in a reactive world, stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions, or they will control you.